Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Once again, we are here with chapter number 4 of Civics Understanding Laws. So, in the previous session, you came to know about that why the laws are important, what are laws, why they are important, and you come to know that without laws, there will be anarchy in the society. The governance cannot be done smoothly in the absence of laws. So laws are very important to keep the functioning of our social system, economic system, our entire social system properly and smoothly. So then we come to know that in India some laws were formed to correct the social wrongs which were present in the society like untouchability. Okay. Then we analyze that if there is some kind of equality is inequality is there, okay, that we come to know that since independence lot have been done by the government to eradicate inequality, but still there is done lot to be done. Okay, still there is existence of inequality and discrimination is going on in several parts of India. So then we come to know that how laws are being formed in India, that we come to know that for the entire country, central government makes laws in the parliament. It means that parliament makes laws for the country. Then we come to know that there are several state governments which makes laws for their respective states. Okay, so the subjects are being divided between central governments and the state governments. They have different legislative powers. Then we come to know that there were protests against the social discrimination in different parts of our country also and in different parts of the world also, and under the pressure of civil movements, social movements, the governments of the time were forced to make laws for bringing about equality in the country. Now there are also some laws which may be unpopular or controversial. So, in today's session, we will learn about some controversial and unpopular laws and the movements against such laws. Okay, so unpopular and controversial laws. The Parliament of India formulates laws which are beneficial for the citizens. However, there have been many instances where laws passed by the parliament were unacceptable to the people. Such laws have at times created a great deal of tension and conflict in the society as the people felt that the laws were unfair and harmful. Such laws are known as unpopular and controversial laws. टाइम टू टाइम जो लॉज बनाती हैं गवर्नमेंट्स, अपने समय की गवर्नमेंट जो लॉज बनाती हैं उसमें कुछ लॉज हो सकता है जो या तो बहुत बड़े पार्ट सोसाइटी का जो उसके खिलाफ जाते हो, उसके इंटरेस्ट को हार्म करते हो, या हो सकता है कुछ जो सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटी हैं, देयर मे बी फॉर सम सेक्शंस ऑफ द सोसाइटी फॉर which these laws are unacceptable and goes beyond their or against their interests. So such laws are known as unpopular and controversial laws. People tend to criticize such laws through newspapers, TV, protests, meetings, etc. Sometimes such laws may lead to mass agitation and clashes with law. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि अगर इस तरह के लॉज बनते हैं तो उनके खिलाफ लोग, आजकल तो सोशल मीडिया का ज़माना है, सो आपने देखा होगा सोशल मीडिया पर फेसबुक, ट्विटर, व्हाट्सएप पर ऐसी चीज़ें, यूट्यूब ऐसी चीज़ें ट्रेंड करने लगती हैं। गवर्नमेंट्स के ध्यान में ये बातें आती हैं और उसके ऊपर एक्शन लेती है। तो लोग क्या करते हैं, सोशल मीडिया, टीवी, प्रेस, प्रिंटिंग प्रेस में बात कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद वो मार्चेस निकालते हैं, मीटिंग्स करते हैं, तो अलग अलग लेवल्स के ऊपर प्रोटेस्ट स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं। कभी कभी ये इतने बड़े लार्ज स्केल पर होते हैं कि कभी कभी लोग जो है फिर लॉ मेकिंग, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर बनाने का काम है जिन एजेंसी का, समटाइम पुलिस, तो उनके साथ भी उनकी जो है टकराव हो जाता है, फाइट हो जाती है। When a large number of people feel that the law passed is not correct, then the parliament has to revise the laws. बहुत बड़े सेक्शन ऑफ द सोसाइटी के खिलाफ जब लॉ चला जाता है, प्रोटेस्ट होते हैं उसके खिलाफ, तो पार्लियामेंट को फिर, या गवर्नमेंट को, पार्लियामेंट को उन लॉज को वापस लेना पड़ता है, रिवाइज करना पड़ता है, अमेंड करना पड़ता है। So during this entire chapter, what we learned: laws are required for regulating activities as well as to stop or prevent unjust social practices. For the betterment of the society, new laws are required from time to time. Parliament is responsible for framing the laws. Fourth point, some laws are unpopular among the people as they are considered unjust. Last one, people's involvement is required for the proper functioning of the parliament. तो ये सब था जो आज अब तक हमने इस चैप्टर में पढ़ा, जाए इस चैप्टर ने हमें सिखाया। Now let's take a look at the concept map of this chapter. If you want to revise the chapter quickly, just go through this concept map. आप इस concept map को अच्छे से अपने जो है मेमोरी में, माइंड में बिठा लीजिए, आपको पूरा का पूरा चैप्टर जो है समझ में आ जाएगा। So understanding laws, how we can understand the laws being made. Equality before law, Article 14, all people are equal before public or equal before law. आर्टिकल 14 हमें बताता है दैट ऑल पीपल आर इक्वल बिफोर लॉ। इसी लॉ की वजह से जो है इक्वालिटी बिफोर लॉ का जो फिनोमिना है वो इंडिया कॉन्सेप्ट है, इंडिया में पॉपुलर है। सेकेंड थिंग, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नो दैट what is the need of laws. So why the laws are needed? First, regulation of activities in the country. Second, prevent unjust and abusive social practices. Third, betterment of people. Fourth, enable certain groups and communities to rise. So that's why the laws are needed. Then equality before law is very important for the equal treatment of all people or for the smooth running of the social system or political system. So Article 14 provides it in India that all people are equal before law. Then there are some law making agencies at various levels in our country and in various countries. So law making procedure is Parliament of India formulates the laws as the at the central level and state legislatures at the state level. Most laws are originate Most laws originate in Lok Sabha. First, a bill is introduced in the parliament. The bill is passed by the parliament. Third, the bill after getting passed by the parliament sent to president for his or her assent. When the bill is adopted in the parliament, it becomes an act. When act gets assent of the president it becomes law. पहले बिल पर साइन होते हैं प्रेसिडेंट के, ठीक है, उसके बाद पार्लियामेंट उसको इनेक्ट करती है, फिर दोबारा जाता है प्रेसिडेंट के बाद, आफ्टर द assent of the parliament प्रेसिडेंट के साइन के बाद ये बिल एक्ट जो है लॉ बन जाता है, कानून बन जाता है. Then we come to know about some unpopular and controversial laws. So parliament at times passes laws and acceptable to the people, few people or some large number of people. People can criticize such laws through newspapers, TV, protests, meetings, etc. Parliament has to revise the unjust laws. Okay, so that was the entire chapter, and I hope that you come to know about or understand the basic phenomena behind laws. Okay.